Toyota's powerhouse pickup is back and better than ever. The 2025 Toyota Tundra brings more power, better tech, and a bold new design. If you're a truck enthusiast, you don't want to miss this. Welcome to Auto World, and let's dive into everything new about the 2025 Tundra. The 2025 Tundra gets a modern and muscular look, with an even bolder front grille and adaptive LED headlights. Toyota has refined the aerodynamics, giving it a more aggressive stance while improving efficiency. Plus, new wheel options and color choices mean there's a Tundra for every style. Under the hood, the iForce Max Hybrid V6 is back, delivering up to 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid system enhances both power and fuel efficiency, making this the most capable Tundra ever. Whether you're towing heavy loads or tackling off-road adventures, the 2025 Tundra has you covered. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious yet rugged interior. Toyota has upgraded the 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with better graphics and faster response times. Plus, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Higher trims offer premium leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a JBL premium sound system for ultimate comfort on the road. Safety is always a priority for Toyota. The 2025 Tundra comes with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and more. Whether you're in the city or on the highway, you'll have peace of mind behind the wheel. The 2025 Tundra is available in multiple trims, including the SR, SR5, Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro, and the luxurious Capstone Edition. Pricing is expected to start around $41,000, with fully loaded models reaching over $75,000. With more customization and package options, there's a Tundra for everyone. So, what do you think about the 2025 Toyota Tundra? Is it the best full-size truck on the market? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to Auto World, and so you never miss the latest car reviews. See you in the next one.